The children will hear Gaelic in every class, with other children speaking, adults, teachers, anybody working within the school that speaks Gaelic will speak to the children in Gaelic.
Well, in nursery, the children have a full Gaelic immersion experience. From the moment their parents drop them off, the staff talk in Gaelic all the time, and they're talking, but it's really like acting. They're making sure that the children understand through word and gesture, their repetition, a lot of song, a lot of story, a lot of play, and making sure that the children feel secure and comfortable. If a child's upset, the member of staff would always comfort them and make sure that they were safe and they were happy. But generally it's always in Gaelic, and making sure that the Gaelic language is at the heart of learning, because we believe that language is at the core of learning, and that to access the curriculum and access the wider world around you, you have to be literate, you have to be able to listen, and you have to communicate, and that is very essential to the core of what we're trying to do in Gaelic Medium Nursery.